Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change your name on League promotion on SuperStylist game. So let's get started. First of all, open the SuperStylist app on your device. Next, you can find little audience-like icon on the bottom of your screen in the second. Tap on it. Now, select a little pencil-like icon beside your profile icon. Next, enter the name you want to. Once you're done, tap on the little tick icon on the green screen. And that's it. This is how you can change your name on League promotion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.